I had a dream. That's right. Dreams and visions, folks. Now, I had a dream. I don't know. This might have been a year ago, but it was definitely months ago. I had a dream about being back in seminary. Now, seminary was hard. There was a lot of assignments for a lot of different classes, and it was definitely way too much work for a person to undertake, especially while they're working or have a family. Really, my interest in personal productivity blossomed while I was in seminary because it was just by necessity. I had to make a plan for every semester. But anyway, back to my dreams. I had a dream not that long ago that I was back in school and I was using my planning software to plan out everything I would do each week for the semester. And what was funny is this was not a nightmare. It was not a bad dream. It was a very comforting, peaceful dream because it was orderly. And I think I was having that dream because in my real life, everything was kind of chaotic. I didn't have a plan. I didn't know what was coming next. And I felt very much like I was wandering in the fog. I didn't know what the next thing to do was. One of the things I enjoyed about school was you have these clearly defined plans. Someone else is telling you, here's the assignment, here's when it's due. And then all your job is to work backwards from that and figure out, okay, well, what do I need to get done in order to make sure that that thing gets turned in on time and is quality? And so you can kind of work in reverse, get it all set up, put a plan in your little task tracking software, and everything gets done on time if you just do the work that you know you need to do each day. I love that. And that was really the thing that I was like, whoa, personal productivity, planning, like this is incredible. It's really nice because you don't have to worry about, well, when's that thing coming due? Any of that. You already decided in advance. Does that make sense? So I think it's particularly helpful for people who are in school to decide in advance what you're going to do, when you're going to do it, and work through it. Put your head down when it's time to work and do all the things you planned and have confidence that you will get where you need to go if you follow that plan. That clip was from my podcast, The Redeeming Productivity Show. Click here to watch the full unedited episode, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos on a Christian approach to personal productivity.